temita aquí, Antonio Muñoz.
Let the motion of your body be the key, cause we be the motherfucking G-Funk family. Now I'll play the G in this deadly game. Snoop Dogg is the name, dog pounds the game. If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking other. Word to my granny and my daddy and my mother. Whether standing on the corner or bouncing in a six deuce. When I was locked up, I couldn't wait to get loose. Cause back in the days, on the side where it's at, a nigga had to have a fat stack, and I was a fool. Don't make me have to grab my strap and go rat-tat-tat-tat, nigga. Slap to a motherfucker face he fall. Can't none of y'all niggas see the doggy dog. Cause I'm one rude boy coming with the wickedness. So shut the fuck up and listen while I'm kicking this. Black blam to them all. Listen to them shots from a nigga doggy dog. Black blam to them all. Listen to them shots from a nigga doggy dog. Now you can look to the sun and spot the moon and see Snoop Doggy Dogg step into the room with the G-Funk, G-Funk, G-Funk.